Looks like I have unlimited time to do this. Wow. I give credit to all the YouTubers who do this every day. Wow. What's up, everyone? If you made it this far, that means you might have liked that experimental short film, so appreciate it for making it this far. Kind of want to just get used to closing out these videos with some talking, or kind of like have the short film or video entertaining part first, and then if you want to stick around and listen to me talk about it, then that's cool. I think that's kind of the format I want to start getting towards, and I probably picked the worst spot to film this. I mean, right now it's quiet, but like when boats go by on this river, the waves start crashing in. And I don't know if there's like tides in rivers, but when I started, the water was not close to the camera, and now I feel like the camera is about to get swallowed, so I have a limited time to do this, so I'm trying to crunch this out, and it's not easy because everyone's staring at me and all this stuff. I don't know. Slow learning curve when you're dealing with filming in public, so mad respect to all those YouTubers out there. It's definitely not easy. Anyways, I just wanted to talk about this video and the camera a little bit. Obviously, I went to Japan with my girlfriend in 2023. I go on every trip with my girlfriend, and it's a lot of fun. And between the two of us, we had so many cameras. She had her digital camera, I had my Sony A1 and an RX100, and I also had 35mm film, 16mm film, 120 medium format film. And I also brought this camcorder, and somehow I used every single camera. This camcorder is a lot of fun though. I feel like it just kind of, everything you run through it just turns into nostalgia, or like an earlier time. I mean, just by the footage you get out of this thing. This was made in 2007. It's a JVC Everio. When I first started skateboarding, kind of aging myself here, but in 1999 I started skateboarding, and I started using cameras like this. I had 8mm camera with 8mm tapes, and then I moved to high 8 and digital 8. This one actually has a built-in internal hard drive of 30 gigabytes. So this can record up to 7 to 37 hours, depending on what you shoot in. About to head in there next. I'm kind of scared the whole time, but everyone's going in there, so I gotta check it out, right? It only goes up to 480p, so that's what this footage is. Sorry about that. I mean, that's kind of the whole point of this video, is to be, you know, whoa, the water's getting really high. But that's kind of the whole point of the video, is to get to be that like 2000s aesthetic. And I feel like that's coming back hard, kind of like with film. Like everyone's shooting Digicams and these 5-megapixel cameras. So it was a lot of fun running around Japan with this thing and have like such a futuristic city with such a nostalgic look. One of my favorite parts about this camera is the digital zoom, or rather optical zoom. It has 34 times optical zoom, so you can really punch in and get like unique compositions that no other lens that I can think of without getting to be like this big you could possibly do on a digital camera. So that's a lot of fun. The only thing I didn't like about the zoom is that it gets really shaky when you're magnified that much, and it's inevitable without a tripod. But all the footage that you saw in this video was straight from the camera, except I did stabilize some of that shake in post because it just wasn't attractive in my opinion. I originally got this camera just to shoot Instagram Reels, and to be honest, I don't know how much more of that I'm gonna do. Like, I'm really over Instagram Reels. I don't wanna just shoot one camera just for Reels, even though it kind of is trendy or whatnot. So I kind of just put this footage all into a timeline because I had over like 3 hours of footage and just kind of listened to music, and this video just kind of popped out. So I hope you liked it. I don't know how much more of this I'm gonna be doing. I feel like New York would look good on this camera, so maybe I'll do a video like that if you liked it, but otherwise, I don't know. Let me know in the comments what you thought, and I'll get to it. I have one more video in the works, so I hope to release that soon and hope to see you there. What else?